Arjun, no, you're gonna break it. No, you broke it. Hello and welcome to How to Helen, where you learn something different every day. This passenger side mirror is from a 2010 Ford Mustang. I am in the middle of rebuilding it right now, but I figured I should make a separate video on how to remove the side mirror glass. This would be very helpful knowledge for anyone trying to remove the glass from the power side mirror mechanism. Learn from my mistakes so you don't break your side mirror like I did. I have taped the mirror right now to avoid it from getting scratched while working on it. I will try to simulate what you need to do. This is how it would look from the outside. To remove the side mirror glass, push the mirror to face towards the housing. Now you will need some thin, hard object, like this one I am using, to separate the glass from the power side mirror mechanism. You would need to be patient as you will be doing a lot of jiggling and pulling one side of the locking tabs to release the glass from the side mirror mechanism. This is where you need to insert the thin, hard object you have. This is where you need to insert the thin, hard object you have. And these are the tabs you will need to pull outward to release the side mirror glass. Since the side mirror glass is attached to the housing in real time, you would need to pull the tabs by feel, so be very patient. This is the only way to remove it without breaking it. If you are successful, this part should stay with the power side mirror mechanism. As you can see, there is a screw here that screws inside the mechanism. If you use brute force and pull this along with the side mirror glass, then you broke your power side mirror mechanism like me. If I am successful in fixing this, then look for my other video on this channel to help you fix the side mirror. Worst case, you can just buy the whole side mirror set from eBay. I found a few that currently sells them at $50. This is my plan B if I don't get this fixed. So that is the proper procedure on removing the side mirror glass from the power side mirror housing. I hope this helps you on your project. My name's RJ, and thank you for watching How to Helen.